And when I was asking them, are you Muslims? They were saying, no, we're not Muslims. They were Muslims in the past. They were imprisoned because they happened to be Muslims. They were imprisoned into these schools only because they chose to believe in Allah, refused to eat haram things, but they wanted to eat halal things. They were imprisoned because one of the girls that I interviewed, she married through an imam in a religious ceremony in halal religious way. But these people who were imprisoned because they were Muslims, now, they were telling to us they were no longer Muslims. They were brainwashed. Authorities of Xinjiang, they are hunting down, they are jailing, they are imprisoning any Uyghur or even other Muslims who decides to believe in his God. One guy was brought in this center. When I asked this guy, what is the reason that you are here? What is the crime that you have done? He told me, because I have prayed in the street. In Xinjiang, praying in a street was considered to be a crime. Another girl that we interviewed, she was sent in this detention center only because she had started to pray to God. She was reading the Quran by herself and didn't take license from the Xinjiang authorities to read the Quran, and because she had put a hijab on her head. These stories shocked us. And this Huzama Mahmoudi, who drew our attention, she was detained because she did not want to receive government subsidies. She was separated from her daughter. She was in this detention center, I think, since 2 years. She had a daughter who was 4 years. So imagine, she was separated from her baby daughter since when she was 2 years old. If I am an Uyghur Muslim and in one moment I decide to believe in Allah and I pray outside in the street, according to the Chinese anti-terrorism laws, I have done a crime. And for this crime I should confess to the Communist Party of China. I should repent and tell them sorry because I prayed to my God. And then I should tell them I'm willing to take training in this vocational school. Only in this way I can get leniency from the Chinese authorities of Xinjiang. Respect the rights of the Uyghurs. It is not terrorism if somebody believes in his God.